Clear vision. You don't know how valuable it is till it's gone. Now, Forever Living Products focuses the power of nutrition on preventative eye care with new Forever Vision Formula. Forever Vision Formula helps to protect the fragile tissues of the retina and prevent macular degeneration and cataracts, the leading causes of vision loss among the elderly. Formulated with carotenoids and super antioxidants, Forever Vision Formula helps defend the eye against the damaging effects of oxidation while promoting circulation in the tiny vessels of the retina. The combination of bilberry, lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, copper, and vitamins A, C, and E forms one of the most powerful vision supplements on the market. With 2 daily tablets, you get all the nutrients you need to preserve and maintain your precious eyesight. Now, as part of your overall nutritional health, you can focus on your eyes. Keep your vision sharp with new Forever Vision Formula from Forever Living Products. The clear answer for lifetime eye care.